Mr. Goose, Mr. Hen, and Mr. Turkey. We're already at the pond with their babies. What a grand family of little ducklings, they called to Mr. Duck. Then there was the last duckling. What's a long neck? Cried Mr. Goose. What? Big feet? Crackled Mr. Hen. What happened to this? Ew, that's an ugly duckling. Oh dear, what an ugly duckling, agreed all the farmyard folk. Ooh.
When we finish the story, we can see it.
Yeah. Just then the ugly duckling tripped over his own big feet and fell on his brake. Like you guys are laughing now. The video's for Daddy. Say hello to Daddy. Say hello to Daddy.
Hello.
Centino. Say hi, Daddy. I
Hi.
miss you.